What's the meaning of citizens band? Citizens band. Citizens band.
Citizens band. Citizens band. The term citizens band refers to a range of radio frequencies set aside for public use in the United States and some other countries. Citizens band, or CB, radios became popular in the 1970s and were primarily used by individuals for personal communication while driving or engaging in outdoor activities. CB radios typically have low power and limited range, but they allow for short-range communication without the need for a license or subscription. Today, CB radios are less commonly used due to the popularity of cell phones and other forms of communication technology.